Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle of today's additional in today's newspaper on Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. We have two puzzles left: tectonic one and a binary one. So we will solve this baby first. This one will be number 2879. All right, let me count. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. A double one, here no, there no. A double one, here no, there no. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. A double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. A double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then I need to compare. Yes, I think I need to. No, double one. We have here 4 ones. All right, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. All right. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. All right. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. All right. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. A double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. Can't believe this. Without any comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. A fast binary puzzle. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today in this additional. A tectonic with 4 stars. So prepare for this one, and we will meet again in a few seconds. See you then. Bye bye for now.